Morgan Housel, in his book Psychology of Money, he said, to succeed in finances, you need 20% knowledge and 80% behavior, practice, and character. Hi guys, my name is Andrew. If you're into my channel, welcome. If you're not subscribed, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be explaining to you steps to follow if you want to save, and 2 apps you need to have on your phone if you want to save. Without further ado, let's go straight into the video. What is savings? According to Investipedia, saving refers to as the money that a person has left over after they have subtracted out their consumable spending from their disposable income over a given period of time. I have 5 steps for you to follow if you want to save. The first step for you to follow is figure out where your money is going. If you are a salary earner and you earn money and you earn a particular money at the end of the month, the best thing for you to do is to figure out your expenses, figure out the money you use on transportation and logistics, figure out the money you use to buy grocery, figure out the money you use to cash fund, figure out the money you use to do a particular thing. Figure out your expenses. If you have not figured out your expenses, you will not know you will not know how to go about your saving. So if you know you are serious about your saving life, I am challenging you now, figure out your expenses. When you figure out your expenses, you can know where a particular money is going, and you can know what to cut from what, and you can know how to effectively save. To effectively save is to find a way to cut out from your spendings and try to incorporate savings to your budget. If you are somebody that earns 50,000 naira monthly and you know your spendings, you spend 40,000, you spend the 50,000 naira, the first step for you to do after you have know where your money is going is to find a way to reduce your spending. Just imagine the particular percent that take most of your money is where you eat out. For instance, now let's just assume you earn 1 million naira monthly now, and you've observed that this 150,000 naira that from the 1 million naira that I earn, I use it to eat out. Now you know that eating out is a problem. That is the 10% of your income is spent on eating out. What you have to do, as the point I stated earlier, is to find a way to reduce the money you used to eat out. You can look, okay, now that you're just starting out, as this is your first month of saving. What you need to do is to just cut a particular percent of the money that you used to eat out. Okay, if you use 15% of your income to eat out, okay, just you reduce it to 14%. Then your body will get accustomed to it the next month. Then the month that follows this, the month that you started, that you reduce it to 14%, you reduce to 13%, small. Then the remaining 1% that you are reducing it, you add it to your savings. If you are doing that, you are really building a good saving culture. You are really building a good saving habit. And like I said the other time, that in finances, 80% of what you become in finances is based on your habit, your action, and your character, and 20% is based on what you just learned. So find a way to imbibe that character, find a way to imbibe that habit in you. It will really help you. Follow, if you want to effectively save, is to set a saving goal. Set a saving goal. If you know you are serious about saving and you do not have a goal, you are a joker. In setting out a saving goal can be characterized into two. We have the short-term goals and you have the long-term goal. The short-term goals are probably you set a goal to pay your child's school fees, set a goal to purchase something into the house. While the long-term goal, example of long-term goals that you can set, probably set a goal over probably in the next 2 years, want to keep a percentage of your income that you can buy a house, so that you can buy a car. That is long-term goal. The goal you set in saving depends on your need. If you know you need a house and you are setting a short-term goal that is not really what you need, you are not really doing well. So set the goal either long-term or short-term based on what you want to achieve, based on the present need you need in your family, based on the present need you need in your life. So either short-term goal or long-term goal, you must make sure that if you want to be serious with saving, you must have a goal. You must have a goal. And if you are just starting out in savings and you think you do not really have something that you need in your house, or you see something that you don't need, that you need in your life, you can just set, okay, let's say this month I'll be saving 20,000 naira. Then keep at it gradually. If you have a goal you have to meet for a month, you know that your mental reasoning, you'll be focused towards that goal. That is to say, you will find a way to make sure that goal is achieved, and you in all your power and all your strength, you may not have the capacity to achieve the goal, but since you have added it to your subconscious mind that in this month I want to save 2,000 naira, your subconscious mind will look for a way to get it done. That is if you are serious about it. So find and set a goal. The first step in saving is to determine your financial priorities. Like I said in my previous point, that the goal you set is dependent on the kind of need you want in your life. Okay, now imagine that okay in income there's something we call scale of preference. Scale of preference is you arranging your need, you arranging your priorities according to need, according to the sense of urgency and some other stuff. So on your scale of preference, it can also be called financial priorities. So you put something you cannot, the things you cannot do without, which are your need, and the one that will be less, that will be in the list, that will be later part of the sub are your wants. So set your financial priorities, what you need, what the things you cannot do without are what will be highest priority to you, and your wants are top you can do without, so they can be left out. So when you set out your financial priorities, this really help you to save. That is to say, you have bring out what you need support for survival. Like you need food for survival, you need house for survival, you need clothes for survival. Those are your needs. Those will be in high priority on your priority list. And the ones that are not really important, like you going out to meet friends, going eating outside, those are something that are important. You can cut them out. You set your financial priorities right. This really help you to save. So I just comment what you've learned in this video so like I know so like I know if my video is blessing life and if the video is transforming life. Fifth step to effectively save is to make saving automatic. You can make your bank and say, oh, this particular amount is my standing order. When you make saving automatic, this really helps you to accomplish your saving goal. When you make saving automatically, that is to say you've made saving over your salary here now, you say 2% of my salary will be going to my savings account, and you've automated the savings. You have no power over it. It will be done automatically, and this will really stop you from compromising. This will really help you to be disciplined. 2 apps you need to have if you want to save effectively. The first one is Money Manager. Yes, this is the app. This is how the app looks like, and the interface of the app is very good, and you can just see the reviews that were done on the application. These are the reviews on the application. These are the ratings. This is the ratings on Play Store, and the app has a lot of features. It can help you to track your expenses. Just like I said the right time, that the first point for you to effectively save is to record your expenses. This app will help you to record your expenses, where your money is going to, where you spend your money. And if you download this app, I have this app installed on my phone already. So if you just download this app first time, first of all you have to sign in with your email first. Then you have to select your default currency. Then from there you can now, the other stuff are very easy to do. You can now begin to input the money you spend on particular thing. Then at the end of the month you can know the money you have spent on groceries. You can know the money you have spent on some other items. So this app is a very good app. You really need this app if you are serious with your finances, and if you want to save, you need to track this app. Even if you are not saving, you need to have this app on your phone, because you need to know where your money is going. Because if you don't know where your money is going, you don't know what is really bringing you down. And for you to do the first point in these steps to save, you need to have this app, because this app will help you to accomplish the first point very well. To have, if you are serious with your saving, is PiggyVest. PiggyVest has a web version, and it also has a version that you can it also has an app that you can download on your phone. It's PiggyVest, and this is how the interface look like. Okay, so I hide some of my details for security reasons. So these are just these are the interest I've received of some money, my real money. You can't see it here. So PiggyVest has a lot of features. Yes, it has a lot of features. And let's click on, if you register your PiggyVest, register with my link, you will actually gain 1,000 naira, and the 1,000 naira can be cashed. You can turn it to, can transfer it to your account. But the thing is this: This stuff has a lot of features, and like I said, I explained some things to you in this video. Okay, so now just click on get started. If you just started on piggyverse, you have to put in your BVN, and you have to, if you put in your BVN, you have to also put in your debit card where you used to receive alerts. You have to put in the debit card stuff so that you can debit to you directly. So like I said, this is the place to build your savings. Can you see the first one here? Build your savings, and said use piggyverse wallet to save gradually, daily, weekly, monthly, without thinking about it. So you can save, you can set up your auto save, like I said, automatic saving. And you see now, setting up piggyverse. Okay, set up piggyverse. Your piggyverse is your core saving wallet. Piggy bank, your core saving wallet on piggyverse. You can automatically save into your wallet daily, weekly, monthly, or manually. There are 4 free withdrawal days to ensure discipline on your savings. Let's help you get started. This is how to do it. You can just click on get started, and okay, so you can save towards a goal. This second way, save towards a goal. Like I said, we have long-term goal and we have short-term goal. That is available on piggyverse. This is the safe lock feature, or you can save your, where you can lock your money. It's not difficult. And this is the, just click on it. I don't want to click on it because if I click on it, it will show some money I've locked. And this place is store fund for emergency. This is where you can store fund for emergency that you can access anytime. And this place you can keep your money in dollar. That is to say, your money that you have on your, you can convert it to dollar. Probably you are afraid of the way naira is devaluating. You can just keep your money in dollar. Then it will be like that. So that's just how it is done. That's just how it is done. So piggyverse has a lot of features, but this is just basically the stuff this video, this what I'm teaching is just about. So you just download the app, just play around it, and using the app is not difficult. I think I've started using piggyverse since, let me just okay, so I've been using piggyverse since 20. Okay, I've used piggyverse. Okay, the year I started, okay, when the year I started, I was not active. That's still a place for investment, but that is not the purpose of this video. So this is piggyverse with my, what is it called, with my link. You can you can set up your piggyverse, then you will be credited 1000 naira. So try to use my link, use my fire link. I will put it in the description box. Make sure you use it. And also, in case you don't have space on your phone to download the app, there is a web version of piggyverse. Just go to your browser, type piggyverse.com, then you can just sign in, start saving, and you're good to go. So piggyverse will help you to automate your saving, while money manager will help you to track your expenses. So if this video have helped you thus far, try to share with one of your friends, just one, your best friend. Just try to share. They can be financially literate, and they can know how to effectively save. Thank you very much. If you want to know how to manage your money, this video is about saving your money. If you want to know how to manage your money, there is a video here. This video will explain to you how to manage your money as a business owner. This video here will explain to you how to manage your money in your personal life. Thank you very much. Watch those videos and comment something that you've learned below in this video.